Last time on Towards the Adventure, we pick up our new trailer, take a break to go surfing, and plan to pick up and move our new boat.
The winds are supposed to be a little bit wild tomorrow.
2 days to go until we move. Yesterday's wetsuits are still hanging there, drying. I tried to get started super early on this. As soon as we knew we were getting the boat, I started selling and donating and trying to keep things under control so we were super prepared. And of course, the last 2 weeks sneak up on you. And so this is what the basement looks like now. We've got our bins kind of with stuff getting ready to take with us on day one. So toolkit, toilet paper, paper towel, coffee, life jackets, licenses, that sort of thing. This is all the stuff that we're taking with us. I just got to organize that a little bit. And we've got a box of photos and art to send to Michelle's parents' house. Only a few things left to donate down here, actually. Not so much, so we'll get there. Michelle's been working crazy hours. He just started when we found the boat with a startup, and so he's upstairs right now. I probably shouldn't be too loud. I'm gonna get onto the kitchen today. It's a total disaster and needs to be packed, so I'll do that. Our landlords asked if they could start some of the work that they've been putting off for a few years before we moved out for the new tenant. And so today they came and ripped out the deck. Yeah. So we move tomorrow and we still don't have insurance. The house is still a complete disaster.
Not super pressed for time for moving. Anything that needs to happen for tomorrow has happened, except for maybe insurance.
We're getting there. I've got her on it.
Awesome. Yeah, otherwise I think we're good to go. We'll just, you know, pack up the rest and move over the weekend, which is where we expect it to be.
I love how chill you are about this. I feel like everything is still a disaster, but we do have 2 weeks with the house still.
Life is good. We don't need to stress about nothing. Because tomorrow we're gonna be living on a boat. Here's Talia coming out from the bank. Oh, looks like
I got the money to buy the boat.
wow, we have the money to buy the boat.
We have no other money, but that's okay. We'll have a boat.
Okay, so here we are, day before the move, and we need to pack up our lives and transport them to our new home. Only one slight problem. We have no deck and no stairs. And that's our car, where all of our things have to go. All right, let's see what we can do here.
I mean, it's not that bad.
It might be easier. It's like a loading dock. We'll we'll be able to get some boxes out of here fairly easily tomorrow.
I think if one person is bringing them to the door and then the other person is just like taking them into the car, it'll be super easy. It actually might be easier this way. Maybe they did us a favor. Maybe not.
Hopefully we won't need these.
How are we doing space-wise?
There's no space for the rest of it.
I think that's it.
I think that's it. There's my bag and my jacket.
Oh, sure. You can bring something too.
And what about our food?
Yeah. Cooler I've got.
Okay. And you want to pass me the 2 coffee mugs there?
Yeah.
Car is fully loaded and packed for day 1. All right, I guess this is goodbye, not for good, but at least for a few days.
I can't believe this. It now started raining as well, which is great. Super great.
Could be worse, it could be snow.
It will be snow at some point.
Yeah, if you look at all the traffic on the way back, I'm just glad to see that we're going to be avoiding it via a different route.
Via the lake. I keep thinking, oh, we should have brought the iPad. We should have updated Navionics. But we have a chart plotter now. With radar.
Be a good day to test radar given the current weather conditions.
Yeah.
Not mega pleasant, but looks like we're getting some breakfast. And wondering what it is, what magical surprise Talia will have for us.
Oh my gosh, well. Shouting out to my Bajan roots, I got a jump off!
Jump off, jump off. Let us hold our staff of transference. All right. Almighty and great ruler of the seas and oceans, King Poseidon, to whom all ships and we who venture upon your vast domain are required to pay homage. I implore you in your graciousness to acknowledge in your records and recollection the transfer of captaincy of this worthy vessel, Northern Reach. For numerous years, the Andersons have cared for her magnificently, and under their tutelage she's ventured through many worthy miles through and upon your domain. We beseech thee in all your omnipotent powers to recognize and grant us, Talia and Michel, permission to enter your domain upon Northern Reach for the purposes of exalting the breadth and power and vastness of your kingdom. Almighty rulers of the winds, through whose power our frail vessel traverses the wild and faceless deep, we implore you to grant this worthy vessel, Northern Reach, the benefits and pleasures of your bounty, as you've ensured Jim and Karen have for many years, ensuring us your gentle ministration according to our needs. In grateful acknowledgement of your munificence and dispensation, we offer these libations to your majesty and your court.
Whoa!
Oh my god! Well, we blessed the boat.
There we go.
That's how it should be.
Okay. Is there any left?
There is plenty. All right.
Did you make that up?
No.
Well, it's part. It was pulled from various different maritime ceremonies.
We did something of the same.
After he read me the draft there, I was like, I'm gonna need a dictionary. I'll be back in an hour.
Yes, all powerful.
Cheers,
Cheers.
guys. Thank you for
Cheers.
You're most welcome.
keeping
Thank you
this
so
home
much.
for us so beautifully. Thank you for preparing.
And now it's
our
covered
way
in
to do it.
champagne.
Hey, at
This
least
is
it's
not how we're
champagne.
gonna keep it. We promise. We'll
It's
do better.
champagne, right?
You can spill champagne on it any time you like.
That's right. There's been many a drink spilled.
Yeah. All in good times, I hope. You know.
little tradition
Yeah.
where we save all of our corks from special occasions
yeah.
and make a Christmas tree garland. So every year we add all the corks from that year.
Very cool.
And so we're going to keep this cork to add to our Christmas tree. And I was wondering if you guys just wanted to like put your initials on it or a little something
That
just to,
we can do.
just to officialize it, right? Anywhere you like.
You put yours right there. Put yours below. There you go.
Well, she's ours.
We got the keys!
The previous owners have just left. And it was a little bit emotional.
It was. It
But,
was. They didn't want to leave. It felt like, anyways.
No, I think they realized that it was time. But now it's ours.
I'm sorry.
What a,
weird.
what a responsibility to take care of.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I cannot believe how clean they left it. They did so much for us. I'm so grateful. We can literally just move all of our stuff straight in.
Yeah, so yeah, let's get through that.
Let's do it. Do you want to tell us what just happened, Michelle?
Well,
Why are you holding a fire extinguisher?
it turns out that you probably have to have the exhaust pipe in for the heater. And so Talia came running up the stairs because she saw some smoke, and the entire cockpit was filled with what we thought was smoke. Turns out it was diesel exhaust fumes from the heater.
It was literally pouring out of here. Like, luckily you could smell that it was exhaust, so I knew it wasn't a fire, but...
Luckily, we have many, many fire extinguishers. We've got, I think, 6 within arm's reach of this door, so we're good.
Why do you
We
want to
made it.
test the diesel heater when we haven't had it serviced yet, Michelle?
Because he said it worked. And it does work. It clearly
He
works.
also
It works
showed
very
you
well.
the
It
exhaust
works-
pipes.
It works very well. Yes, he did. He did.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, I did a bad. All right, I'm gonna put this back.
How many hours have we owned the boat now?
About 1. Well, hopefully it'll be a few more.
Oh my.
So we are currently taking our home home. Home is somewhere over there, but home is also here. And yeah, in some less than ideal conditions, but you know, it'll be fine.
The waves seem to be getting a little bit bigger as we get closer and further down the lake. The CN Tower is now completely obscured by clouds.
Okay.
Oh, it's a big wave!
What the fuck?
day. We're still trying to figure out the power. We can't seem to get what we need. We're getting 30 amps, but on the wrong breaker. Let's see what Michelle's saying.
Ow!
Oh, how many times are you going to hit your head there?
Oh, I'm sure I'll hit them a few. Okay, now we're gonna go turn the top ones on. Is
Line
it okay
one.
if I go do it?
I can get you line one. Nothing.
What about now?
Still like 2 amps maybe.
Really?
Yeah.
Just only 2 amps?
Uh-huh.
The fridge off? No, fridge is on. Okay.
Try line 2.
Turn the water heater on and see if that jumps up.
Sorry, I was looking at line 2, babe. I screwed up. Yeah, we have 8 amps being used right now on line 1.
Okay, that's perfect.
Sorry.
Okay. Try number 2, then, sorry, the second circuit.
Yeah, 5, 10. So we're using 18 amps total.
Okay, that's perfect. So line 1 is your 30 amp, and line 2 is your
20 amp.
20 amp. Okay?
Sick.
Should be good.
Okay, let's go get the car and the rest of our stuff.
Oh, it should heat up. Actually, I'm going to turn the heater on in the back as well,
Perfect.
just to heat up the whole boat. It's supposed to be cool.
Hi. I'm cold still.
I don't know that lying on the floor of the boat is gonna help that
All
though.
the heaters are down here, although it is getting toasty now.
Yeah,
It was a long day. I'm tired,
yeah, me too.
but I'm happy.
Me too.
I'm happy and tired.
Happy and tired. I think that means we're gonna sleep well tonight.
Yeah. Maybe on the floor.
Maybe not on the floor.
Maybe. It's really comfy down here, actually.
That's good.
Oh. Next time on Towards the Adventure. This is our home. It feels like home tonight for some reason. Night two.
I think it's
Moving in. That's amazing. We're going on our first adventure.
hooray, first adventure.
Our deck is torn out, making moving a real pain. We took over the boat and popped a bottle of champagne. Almost lit the boat on fire, sailed through a storm. It seems that with adventures, challenges are the norm. Challenges are the norm.
Another classic. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share to join us as we head towards the adventure.